Hey y'all, so we are actually getting ready for a shoot. We have our location. We don't know what we're wearing. Why do we not know what we're wearing?
So RaqsGear sent us a mystery box, basically. And he was one of the first designers I've worked with when I started modeling. So we were in our first fashion show. I was his first model. He was my first designer, and it was incredible. His line is streetwear. This is actually one of his.
So are these.
Super excited to see. I love it.
So, funny little backstory. Sam actually made that. And our boy Rax decided to put it on a bag. So, we are going to be modeling with this today.
I love it so much. Like, it looks amazing. I love how it came out. Like, I love how it printed. Like, it printed really, really well. This was a lot of fun to make, by the way. Like, that design. I love it. And I love the fact that he has it as his, like, background to his illustration logo, and it looks so cool.
My homie put the clothes in the bag, too. Love the design on all the bags, too.
Oh,
It's literally matching the one that you're wearing now, too.
I could match.
Why am I pulling your stuff out? You're pulling that out. These are super
That's nice. I love it, and it says it in all different ways. RaqsGear. Rax. So I love that. I love that.
sexy.
I love it.
There's more.
He's doing so incredible right now. Like, he's doing amazing.
They're always fire too. Yeah. That
That's
one's
dope.
super dope.
That's really dope.
That one is super dope. It's got the racks on the arm.
Oh, this is to go with the leggings.
Woo! Alright, so we gonna go get changed up and we gonna show you what we come out with.